Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching how to create stunning Instagram profile pictures without any software. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get updated from my channel. So, let's start. Open your browser, and type pftmaker.com. Now, click on this button and then select your image. Wait until the image is processing. See the results. You can select any of these options for your Instagram profile. You can adjust the image size and rotation from here. Also, you can change the background color from here. To download the image, just click on this button. See the saved image. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.